Hi, Carly. You may already know all about this, but since we haven't had a chance to talk, I just want to make sure. So I'm here in Canvas. You can't even tell it's Canvas, but it's San Diego County Office of Education. These are my courses that I belong to, and you should have one that says Year 1 Induction 2019-20. So when you go into year one, there's so much information here. But to help us just get started a little quickly, and then we can revisit all of this, you can go to modules. And what we're focused on here is section one. So hopefully you've already completed your MOU, so you'll already know how to get here. The two things that we need to begin to work on together is for me to get to know you and us to figure out how to work together. But in terms of actual things that we need to complete, San Diego County Office of Ed has done an amazing job of decreasing the amount of paperwork and relying upon the discussion between you and I. And so there are some things, though, that we need to complete to show that we've had those discussions. And one of them is the ILP teaching context. The other one for this section one is discussion one. These are due October 14th. Well, I'm not sure if you've started this, so let's not stress about the October 14th for this. The discussion you would be able to complete by Monday, hopefully, and you can take a look at that. But the teaching context, what you end up doing is you end up downloading a Google Doc that is the actual document you're going to work on. But they don't let you have the original because that would be interesting. So you make a copy, and then you have your own uh, form and information that you and I will work on together. So again, you may already know all this, but this is section one, and it's about we're doing what we would usually do with our students at the beginning of the year, and we're going to talk about this. But there are these sections: student profile, classroom environment, homeschool communication, community map, and site discussion guide. We don't do this one because it's for ed specialists. It's just present here. So you and I can talk about what you're going to be doing in terms of students because of your situation of seeing students only one day a week and going to multiple sites. So don't worry, we're going to figure that out. Instructional environment, that changes with every class, but we can pick one. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be picking one and asking you to tell us about 5 of your students, picking one and telling us about the instructional environment. Talk about how you manage communication with parents and guardians. And community map, this is about your community. Where are the libraries and other resources that could benefit students? And then you and I talk about this discussion guide. So again, you may know all this, you may have already started it, but this is sort of where we're going. So if before we have a chance to talk together, although I hope that's really soon, you could look through this and maybe take a try at some of the things you feel like you're comfortable with. Maybe like homeschool communication, whatever it is that you feel comfortable with. And then you and I can talk about that. And then if you could go ahead, sorry, go back to modules and take a look at discussion one. It's you responding to, you watch a video and you respond to some questions about the video, and then you respond to a colleague, and the directions are all here. You know, where you go, how you do it, what you're asked to submit. And so you could be busy over the weekend, but if you have a chance to do that over the weekend, that would be really helpful and I think take some stress off you. So anyway, I really look forward to talking to you. Cannot wait. Just thought I'd at least try to communicate this way so that you hear my voice and then I get to hear yours whenever we talk. So take care. Feel free to email me. You can text me. I will send you right now my phone number. Text me, email me. I'm out all day Sunday, but I will respond absolutely as soon as I can. Thanks.